Yeah, if the hammer doesn't drop
right on White's head,
what's the point of even going on this trip? You know what I'm saying?
Hammer time, they can't touch me. Hammer time, hammer time, they can't touch me. Hammer time, bedtime. I ain't never had a bedtime. Headline, boy, you looking at a headline. Hammer time, they can't touch me. Hammer time, they can't touch me. Hammer time, bedtime, what we kill the scene. Bedtime, we gon' kill the scene. Bedtime, I say you'll see hammer out the slammer. I said free.
All right. Last full day of the NYC actual service, you know. You pretty excited?
I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be a good day. I think rec center most of the day.
Rec center, yes sir.
I mean,
we gotta get
I'm
some
saying
footage.
just a lot of quality time. You gotta make the most of it. It's our senior year, last one ever.
Last
event ever.
Hey, we'll see you at the ceremony. You guys
NYC.
ready for another day of NYC?
Yeah.
Let's go. Did you have a good day?
Great.
How was yesterday? How was yesterday?
It was good. Zach
Williams.
Zach Williams.
Yeah. He was hype?
It was hype.
Yes, sir. What are you most excited about today? What are you the most excited about today?
Lacrae.
Lacrae. Lacrae. Tired, you good?
Day 5. We almost missed the bus this morning.
Yeah.
We were 25 minutes late downstairs, but it is what it is. We're here at the arena.
All that matters is that we're here.
Ready to have a good day.
We're here.
It's my birthday today. They're gonna call. So.
Hey, we're out here. Yeah.
Let's go, baby. What's up, Tom? Ready for another day? Ready for another big day? One at a time, guys. Keep it moving. Thank you. Good morning. Let's go. NYC. NYC, let's go. Good morning. How are you? Let's go. Let's go. What a great way to open up the morning, huh, Juan? Great way.
Become your loves. And it was like God began to share with my heart. Because of something done to you or something that you've done, that you are somehow uniquely disqualified.
Here we are, session 5. And we've been walking through.
We got a magic show, baby.
I'm so excited. Devin! Devin!
This dude is insane. What a joke. He's a cheater. Wow. Just got done with the service? Hey, Sam, did you like the magic show?
Oh, Devin? He was great. Devin.
What's up, Tom?
Let's go.
How'd you like this? Session 5? Session 5?
It was good. It was very good.
What about the magic show?
Oh, the magic show?
Dirty Devin?
Daddy Devin.
Or, yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
About to get our hockey on? Let's go, baby.
Yes, sir.
About to get our new filmer. Cinematography. Cameraman never dies. That's a lot, baby. Why, you ready for this hockey?
I'm so ready.
Ready to get our Gretzky going, baby. Got my new jacket, too. Got some Tulsa. Yeah.
You also said you're like the best volleyball player, and then you served it in the net.
boys. I'm on the roof of the arena. Oh, shoot, I'm wearing neon and I'm glowing. I'm in the catwalk. This is crazy. I gotta get down. I'm gonna get in so much trouble.
All right, we just got back from the rec center, back for session 6. We got Sam, Legend, bro, and it is crazy stuff.
My friend.
That's crazy. And we all got the matching jackets. Hey.
All right.
Oh, you gonna say something?
Yeah.
He's asking me to say shout out during films on the microphone.
Where are you from?
We are all
Carlos Number.
for Jesus to break in and to bring. So good morning.
Good morning.
There was this sudden realization that the invitation to join Jesus had to do with giving up everything that I had been holding on to.
Just ended the 5th session, but I just got news. We're going backstage. Let's go.
Hey, ready?
Oh wait, let's go. Dude, a dream come true.
It's insane.
A dream come true.
He's a legend.
They can't touch me hammer time, hammer time. They can't touch me hammer time, bedtime.
Hey, Lacrae.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Laura back.
How y'all doing tonight?
We're going backstage. Let's go. Thanks to Miss Belinda. What's up, man?
Set me free! Set me free! Set me free! Set me free! Set me free!
They all let me be. Won't you set me free?
Oh, that's crazy. Lacraes. What's up, guys? What's up? Lacraes. Oh, my bad. That's what makes all the screens. Oh, I got you. They're working in there. I'll show you what we do.
Sadness and depression. And, you know, the first year he was in there, he struggled. And around year 3, he began to him and make him into something more. You know? And I didn't know if anybody else was praying for him, but I was praying for him. Hey, 3, 2, 1. If I ever took a loss, I learned a lesson. I don't ever think I'm better than the next. That's that credit, I know when we get it, the best to be coming from cannabis. I was doing all kind of bad, pushing mama little while I never know gas money. I just bought a car. Okay, cool. Oh, they all pointing at this person. You a rapper? That's cool. Come up with stuff. And I was like, okay. And I've been practicing it since I was a little kid. And I felt like, even Grace not lucky. And I see you holding up the rubber ducky. It's like that sound like the Pittsburgh. Oh, that's Green Bay. He got a Green Bay jersey. I praise the Lord. When I was a sophomore, I thought I was God's gift to women. And when all we need is him, we gotta rely on his power. Y'all with me on that?
Just got backstage. Can't believe that happened. I literally can't believe it. It was a miracle. What is up with you? We got Lacrae out there. We're all coming in here. Lacrae, let's go, man. Chad is so red. I got you ready. Oh, this is for our YouTube channel.
Yeah. Hey.
Do you want to say shout out Dewy Films?
Shout out Dewy Films.
Shout out Dewy Films.
Shout out Dewy Films.
Let's go.
Shout out Dewy Films.
That's how you do that fist bump. Bro, we just did it. We just did it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh! Royal Company, bro! Hey, please. Why? Let's go. Just got done with the Lacrae concert and meeting Royal Company. How was it, son?
Oh, it was great. Great. Absolutely great experience. NYC 23. It's been a dream.
Bunch of dirtbags.
I didn't get a call. What did you say?
Speaking of the devil.
What's up, Steven? How was that night of NYC? Did you like it?
Parts I did, parts I didn't.
God.
He knows the parts you did.
Oh, yeah.
Are you gonna go into depth on the parts you didn't
talk
like?
to you guys later.
You'd like me to go into detail?
Is it about, am I in trouble?
No.
Okay, all right, never mind.
You're actually innocent this time.
Oh, what?
Day 6, NYC. Great day today. We'll NYC y'all tomorrow.
React to me. Shout out Dewy Films. Shout out Dewy Films. All right, bye.